Thank you to watch this video, where art meets imagination. In this video, I presented to you a captivating Photoshop manipulation or artwork titled Bring Peace in Human Race to Life. Reflections of Overthinking. Prepare to delve into the depths of this thought-provoking creation as I unravel its fascinating story. In this piece, I've depicted statues that symbolize human consciousness, adorned with delicate flowers throughout their sculpted forms. These statues stand as a representation of our tendency to ponder and overthink, mirroring the ceaseless thoughts that often consume our minds in real life. Hovering above the vast expanse of the ocean, these pensive statues are surrounded by a celestial ambience. A moon shining brightly, despite its solitude, serves as a poignant reminder of one can radiate their inner light even when alone. The presence of graceful birds in the artwork symbolizes the human struggle to find their way back home, as thoughts cloud their path due to excessive overthinking. Eventually, they succumb to slumber, and through sleep, they find solace and clarity. Interestingly, the tranquil ocean lacks any reflections except for the statues themselves. This deliberate choice aims to emphasize the importance of finding inner peace amidst a world filled with distractions and superficiality. It serves as a reminder to viewers that in the end, we must detach from the materialistic attachments of this world and focus on achieving a state of inner equilibrium. This artistic endeavor is rooted in my desire to convey a powerful message to all individuals across the globe. I implore you to nourish your inner peace and guard against the incessant brainwashing of overthinking. Life is ephemeral, and as we embark on our inevitable journey towards the beyond, let us strive to make a lasting impact on those we leave behind. Join me on this profound visual exploration as I unravel the intricate and extraordinary tale behind this captivating masterpiece. Let your imagination soar, and may this artwork serve as a catalyst for introspection and self-discovery. Thank you for tuning in and being a part of this creative journey. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with fellow art enthusiasts, and subscribe to my channel for more captivating content like this. Remember, art has the power to transcend barriers and ignite change in our hearts and minds.